This is my 118 A10 Thunderbolt Warthog 2, made from an Elite Forces plane. It had this silly handle thing that was like the plane was like a gun or something. So I removed that because that was just ridiculous and stupid. The front landing gear I'm working on right now. Getting ready to sell this on eBay. Oh, one thing too, if you'll notice, there's imperfections in the paint. And that's because I painted at too low of a temperature. If you paint below about 50 or 60 degrees, it gets all crinkly like that. Luckily you can't really see it too well. So I just masked over the teeth and eyes. Got our pilot in there. Adjust this lighting a little, see it better. And then I put on my own Gatling gun in there. I think that's from G.I. Joe Tomahawk. And that is a tube from venom puncture from like phlebotomy draws at a hospital. There it is.